Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got something really cool for you, something very useful as usual. I love coming up with really awesome videos for you guys and you should know that. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can organize your scarves. If you want to know how I did it in this video, make sure keep watching this video until the end. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Organization should be part of our lives to make our lives easier and much more convenient for us to look for something when we need it in any time. I personally love being organized because it makes my life easier, and this is the reason I have started my own YouTube channel, so that I can make your life easier at the same time. So in today's video, I'll show you a few tips and tricks how you can organize your scarves. I hope you enjoy it. So what I did is, you probably know of this shop B&M. That's exactly where I have bought myself a lot of organization products from there. That shop is really amazing. It comes in handy whenever you need it. And I would strongly suggest you to go, if you want to organize your stuff, definitely go check out B&M. They got really awesome products and really affordable prices as well. So today's video I want to show you is this scarf organizer. I've got it on here. So I actually bought this from B&M, as I said previously. This cost me about, I think it was $2.99 or $3.49, something like that. I can't remember the exact price, but that was something like £3 or £4. And I really love this hanger because it keeps all my scarves organized, and I can see all the colors really well. And all I've done is just, like, as you guys can see, I've organized 2-3 scarves in each section, like here. If you don't have this kind of hanger, don't worry, you can also use a hanger that can be used for to hang the trousers. It has like a horizontal lines. You can use that kind of hanger as well. And I just like how neat and tidy everything looks, and I can just grab it easily whenever I need to. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you found these tips useful. And another thing I want to say to you before you go is, I never ever put my scarves in the washing machine. The reason being is I'm just really worried that my scarves would go bad and they would start having all those threads and pilling, and I don't want to do that. So in order to wash your scarves, what you need to do is you can put lukewarm water and like 2-3 drops of fairy liquid, and just leave it there in the water for about half an hour or 1 hour, and just rinse it off with lukewarm water. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's very simple, but I would strongly suggest you not to put the scarves in the washing machine, and the rest is up to you, obviously. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, take care, stay warm, love you all. Mwah.